Lowo owayeyiphini likangqongqoshe wezobulungiswa kanye nokuHlunyeleliswa kwezimilo uThabang Makwetla uthi iKhomishana eyayiphenya izinsolo zokuqhwagwa kwamandla oMbuso kwakumele iziphenyisise izinsolo ezazivela kowayesebenza eBosasa uRichard nowathi uMakwetla nguye owayenikwe umsebenzi wokuthi kuqiniswe ezokuphepha emzini yongqongqoshe kanye nezisebenzi zikahulumeni ezithile. Lo msebenzi wawenziwa yiBosasa kanti uMakwetla uyaziphika lezi zinsolo anindwa ngazo. Ubenesithangami nabezindaba namhlanje ekhala ngokuthi iKhomishana kaZondo yambheca ngobende inyama engayidlanga.
It is my right. Justice delayed is justice denied.
uMakwetla uthi izinsolo ezibhekiswe kuyena inasisindo futhi azinabo ubufakazi.
The commission report says they have not investigated allegations of corruption, and the allegations of corruption are not contained in any evidence before the commission.
Uthi angeke aphakamisa ukuthi ubukezwe umbiko kaZondo kodwa kumqoka ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi yini ngempela eyenzeka.
Reviewing the report is not what is important. What is important is for South Africa's public to know what happened.
uMakwetla ukhala ngokuthi iKhomishana kaZondo yenza iphutha ngokuthi ingaziphenyi izinsolo ezasibhekiswe kuyena.
What the commission is saying is that there is a possibility that I interfered with the duties of the DG of Correctional Service, the accounting officer. But what they were established for was to investigate that.
NginguKhalvin Dludla, wezindaba ze SABC, ngibika ngisegoli.